let me start with the first calligraphy that we are launching this month. Again, this has been created for Yellow Frames Art Studio by our calligraphy instructor Sanya. So this calligraphy is called Ipan calligraphy. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, we use the Ipan motif and then we write the letter and inside we create the Ipan calligraphy style. ये लेटर ए है, वैसे ही आपको कुछ और ऑप्शंस दिखाएंगी सानिया. सो शी इज शोइंग यू लेटर एल, देयर शी इज शोइंग यू लेटर एल, और इसके आगे देयर इज लेटर के. सेम आइपन कैलीग्राफी के ही डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस है, ये सब आपको सीखने को मिलेगा. ये पूरा कैलीग्राफी लेटर्स है, इसमें और भी ऑप्शंस है ए से लेके जेड तक. ये देखिए, ये है लेटर डी. So from letter A to letter Z, you are going to learn in Ipan calligraphy options. Ipan में और भी options हैं, 2-3 हम आपको दिखा देंगे, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. ये letter B है, लक्ष्मी चौकी, लक्ष्मी पदचिन्ह के साथ. And so here we have letter C. जो Ipan मंडाला है उसका यहाँ पर मोटिव यूज किया है, very beautiful, and each of the letters look so pretty. Next one we have letter E. और ऐसे आपको पूरे ए से लेके जेड तक सारे लेटर्स सिखाए जाएंगे, ठीक है. द फीस फॉर आइपन कैलीग्राफी इज 800. सानिया, अगर पॉसिबल हो तो इसको पूरा स्प्रेड कर दीजिए अपने इस पर, सो यू कैन जस्ट सी कितना ब्यूटीफुल है. ये वाइट बेस पे बनता है और ऑब्वियसली इसको आइपन के ट्रेडिशनल मोटिव्स रखे गए हैं इस पे. प्लीज इसको शेयर करिए अपने ग्रुप्स में भी. और लेट्स मूव. ये आइपन कैलीग्राफी का ब्यूटीफुल स्प्रेड है. ऐसे आप पूरे लेटर सीखेंगे ए से लेके जेड तक. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट कैलीग्राफी ऑप्शन विच यू हैव. आई हैव शेयर्ड द लिंक. आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज बताइए. नेक्स्ट हम करने वाले हैं अभी एक और कैलीग्राफी ऑप्शन आपको दिखाएंगे. So this is letter in calligraphy, कलमकारी calligraphy style. ठीक है, ये हमारा नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन है और इसको भी पूरा जो कलमकारी पेंटिंग है, डिफरेंट कलमकारी मोटिव्स है, उसको लिया गया है और यहाँ पर हम इसको शेयर कर रहे हैं आपके साथ. यस, आपको जो भी डाउट्स है कमेंट में आप जरूर पूछते जाइए. सो अगेन आवर इंस्ट्रक्टर सानिया, इन्होंने ये कोर्स प्रिपेयर किया है. सारा कंटेंट आपको सिखाया जाएगा फ्रॉम लेटर ए टू लेटर जेड. राइट नाउ शी इज शोइंग यू लेटर ए, ब्यूटीफुल कलमकारी मोटिव, जो एक्चुअल कलमकारी कलर्स भी यूज होते हैं. इसमें फास्टर यूज करने के लिए हम लोग ब्रश पेन्स भी यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज एक्रिलिक पेंट्स और पोस्टर कलर्स. ठीक है, so this she has completed the letter A, letter C, and we will see more kalamkari letters. This is another beautiful option, letter G. और इसमें है 2-4 हम और देख लेते हैं. लेटर L, ये देखिए इसमें म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज किया गया है जो कलमकारी पेंटिंग में यूज करते हैं. So the musical instruments from that has been used to create this letter. And now we have, yes, so this is letter E. इसमें डियर बनाया गया है, सेम कलमकारी मोटिव, द लीफ and the pattern is everything is completed in kalamkari painting style. So just like this you will learn. And okay, here we have letter M, and this is the horse that has the umbrella. जो अश्वमेध का घोड़ा है, ये वो वाला मोटिव है. Okay, and this is the beautiful letter W. I think ये इस वाले पीकॉक पेंटिंग का वर्कशॉप मैंने अभी जस्ट कंप्लीट किया है कुछ दिन पहले. तो this same thing has been conceptualized in the letter W. So now here you can see how we have created all these beautiful letters. ये कलमकारी folk art form है, ठीक है. So this again just a spread to show how this looks. ये सारे letters right from letter A to letter Z आपको कलमकारी वर्कशॉप में सीखने को मिलेगा और इसकी फीस है 800. Okay, so all the letters from letter A to letter Z. Oh, ये beautiful. This is very beautiful. The letter K. इसका drawing आपको इम्पोर्टेंट है, दैट यू हैव टू लर्न। कलर के लिए हमने मिक्स मीडियम यूज किया है, ब्रश कलर्स है, पोस्टर कलर्स है। आपको शेयर कर दिया जाएगा एग्जैक्ट मटेरियल दैट इज यूज्ड टू क्रिएट दीज ब्यूटीफुल आर्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स। तो ऐसे ये कलमकारी के सम ऑप्शंस आपके पास हैं। कलमकारी कैलीग्राफी, हियर वी हैव अ लवली लेटर एच, डुअल टोन में है, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट के, बहुत सुंदर बना है ये भी। तो ये सब आपको हम सिखाएंगे इन द कलमकारी वर्कशॉप, ओके, एंड द लेटर क्यू। सो दिस इज कलमकारी कैलीग्राफी, invented only at Yellow Frames Art Studio by our instructor Sania। ये और कहीं नहीं आपको देखने को मिलेगा। अगर कोई आपको सिखा रहा है या आपको पता चलता है कि कोई इसकी क्लासेस ले रहा है, प्लीज रिपोर्ट करें, हमें जरूर बताएं। We don't want the course to go out, and please join it as a hobby course, or we sometimes receive lot of communication from participants कि इधर उधर वो कॉपी हो जाता है हमारा कोर्स कंटेंट, बट वी गेट टू नो। कहीं पर भी फेसबुक में आप कोर्स का प्रमोशन करते हैं या व्हाट्सएप पे कोर्स का प्रमोशन करते हैं, द येलो फ्रेम स्टूडेंट नेटवर्क इज ह्यूज, सो इमीडिएटली वी गेट टू नो दैट ये कंटेंट का कहीं पे अगर कुछ मिसयूज हो रहा है। So try to join the course to learn these beautiful art forms and to create your own personal portfolio. अगर आप ये सोच के ज्वाइन करेंगे कि मैं यहाँ से सीख के अब क्लासेस लूं, मेरे एक स्टूडेंट है हमारे कैलीग्राफी के, जिन्होंने 800 में ये कोर्स किया और 2500 में शी स्टार्टेड सेलिंग द कोर्स, which is very wrong. First of all, you learned the whole course in 800 and then you are asking more price from the participants. Of course, आप कर सकते हैं, but it is categorized under cheating or malpractice. So please avoid doing that. हम आपके पास नए नए कोर्सेज इसलिए लेके आते हैं क्योंकि आप वो सीख सके। 800 का ये कोर्स है, आप खुद भी ज्वाइन करें या अगर किसी को कोर्स में इंटरेस्ट है तो उसको भी ज्वाइन करवाए। तो ये कलमकारी कैलीग्राफी अगर आपको ज्वाइन करना है, आई हैव गिवन द लिंक एंड यू कैन ज्वाइन द ग्रुप लिंक हियर एंड इंक्वायर करें और कोर्स ज्वाइन करें, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट हमारा जो थर्ड कोर्स लॉन्च है वो है फ्यूजन मधुबनी का। इसमें हमारे पास 5 डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिसमें हमने मंडाला और मधुबनी आर्ट का फ्यूजन किया है। So you can see that wherever we have kept the mandala part, that is in monochrome, black and white. फिर इसका एक मधुबनी बॉर्डर है, हर पेंटिंग में एक मधुबनी बॉर्डर है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स के, तो आपको 5 मधुबनी बॉर्डर भी सीखने को मिलेगा। एंड देन देयर आर 5 मधुबनी मोटिव्स, मधुबनी पेंटिंग जो इसके साथ में ऐड की गई है, ठीक है। दिस कोर्स इज कॉल्ड अ फ्यूजन मधुबनी कोर्स। इसमें आपको 5 डिफरेंट आर्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स कराए जाएंगे, टोटल 10 सेशंस। It will take 10 sessions. Fees again is 800 for this, right? And now I have shown you 3 different courses: Icon calligraphy, Kalamkari calligraphy, and Fusion Madhubani calligraphy. Individually, the price is 800 for each. But if you go for the combo course offer, so instead of 2400, you will get it for 2000. Okay, so this is how we are going to price the combo workshop. So this is combo 1. We can remove this and I will show you the second combo. Here again we have this beautiful art form Manjusha. Manjusha art is the folk art of Bihar, and you can again know, like just like Madhubani, this is also a very beautiful and quite popular art form these days. And here the main thing is that they use very limited colors like the orangish red or the red, green, yellow. So with the use of these colors only, the whole Manjusha painting is created. With the help of our instructor at Yellow Frames Art Studio, this new course has been launched where all the different letters from A to Z you will complete in this Manjusha folk art style. Now all the colors that you need, that will be shared with you. Here are various options that she is showing. Letter A, letter H, letter E, letter D. So all these are actually Manjusha paintings. Every painting we take and we convert it into a letter. This is letter E in Manjusha, and now you can see here that there are only 3 colors that are used: yellow, red, and green. And of course, black is used for drawing. So this Manjusha calligraphy course, letter G. very this, since this comes from Bihar, so the way in which it is constructed, the face, you will find some similarity, but it is very remote. Only the eyes will be similar, but the way the nose and the body figure is done will be different. Okay, Manjusha folk art calligraphy. If you want to join this, again, this course is available for 800. And look at all these beautiful paintings that you will create. Your portfolio will be so rich for these, with these lovely letters. Okay, so the entire letter from A to Z you will learn for 800. Now we are moving to Tikuli art. This is a second art form that I wanted to launch, show here. Normally I take a live session, but this I think is turning out even better because you can see these lovely collection of folk art forms right in front of you. So here we have letter I, letter W. This is Tikuli art. This is Tikuli art, again a folk art of Bihar, and this has been created at Yellow Frames Art Studio. You will not find these courses anywhere else. So what we do, we take single painting and then we put it in letters. The entire course is constructed by our calligraphy instructor, Sania. So if you see that this is being offered by someone else at some other place, you definitely please come and report it back to us, because we don't authorize anyone else to take these courses. These courses are invented and developed by Yellow Frames Art Studio for the students of Yellow Frames Art Studio only. So you can join it and learn all these beautiful art forms. See, there are so many different shapes and paintings that has been taken from Tikuli art and put in your calligraphy letters. Okay, so this is letter A, letter U, letter K, letter I, letter W, all these letters from A to Z in Tikuli folk art form. So the price for this Tikuli calligraphy is 800. Okay, and the price for the Manjusha calligraphy was 800. So let me tell you once again, there are 6 courses that we are announcing today. Every course individual price is 800, but if you go for the combo, you can go for 3-course combo, or you can go for all 6-course combo. 3-course combo you will get for 2000, and if you want all the 6 courses, then you will get it for 4000. Now let's move to the final course that we are showing today. Here, this is a different course since we have seen lot of colors. Now I thought I will show you the project that we have where you only need pen, just a black pen or maybe sketch pen to make thick lines. This is called line art or illusion art. The shape of the figure will change by the direction of the shape. So here you can see that first you are given, this is exactly how you will be given the worksheets. First, the instructor will give you the plain worksheet to understand how sketching happens. So on the right side, you can see the sketch, and on the left side, you will see how you complete the painting by only adding lines. You don't have to add anything else, only lines. Okay, and the shape and everything, the 2D, 3-dimensional, the burnt, the lift of the face, all that becomes obvious only by changing the direction of the line. So this course is called line art, and again there are around 10 different sessions that you will learn here. Some addition of colors in some projects you can see. These are the different projects that you will learn, and there are 10 different projects that we will share with you, right from easy to complicated, because this will be the first practice. So we will start from some easy sessions and then we will take it to the complicated ones. Okay, so this is where you can see we have all these line art calligraphy, illusion art calligraphy. Here also you can see how the flower is made. Thank you Vandana ji, अरे वाह आप सेशन में आए. Thank you Aishwarya ji, thank you Kamla ji, good morning, good afternoon. Yes, Kaushalya ji, we will share the pic for the Fusion Madhubani. Of course, when you join the course, we will also show you how to draw the thing and how to paint it. And all these sessions are, work along. Lot of instructions are not needed. So we have not added any instruction in the video. There will be soft music in the background, and the instructor, Sanya, she will be working and creating these patterns along with you. Okay, so there will be no disturbance, there will be no instructions. If you want to put the session on mute, that also you can do, or there is some light music in the background just to help you through. Okay, these courses do not need a lot of instructions. There is only technique that you have to follow. Look at these beautiful projects again in the optical line illusion. So you see there are 5 projects that we have shared here, and there are 10 different projects here. ठीक है, अभी इसको और एक final, let me go through it final once more. And of course, thank you everyone for taking out time, because you know this was really unannounced. You can see this beautiful spread that our instructor has created for you. Let's start seeing what are the courses. Now I'm going to begin from left to right. The first course you can see on the left is Fusion Madhubani project. So Fusion Madhubani art, you will see that every art we will create a mandala in some page or the other, and then we will create Madhubani motif along with Madhubani borders. We don't issue all the sessions at one time, because these sessions then the people take and they start taking their own classes. We definitely encourage you to come and join, work along with us, and please keep making submissions. Okay, that is the only way you can complete your courses. So this is the Fusion Madhubani. Next is the Kalamkari calligraphy. Letter A, you can see the beautiful peacock letter A. In this same way, you're going to learn all the letters from A to Z with various Kalamkari motifs added in it. Next is the Ipan calligraphy. The letter B that is on your screen is Ipan calligraphy, the Lakshmi Chowki, Lakshmi Padichin. Sanya has shared around 7 to 8 different letter options for Ipan calligraphy. Third is the Manjusha art. In Manjusha art, this is the folk art form of Bihar, and mostly we use 3 colors, yellow, red, and green. And of course, black is used to make the drawings and patterns. So this is Manjusha art. If you have not learned of it, we will use only these 3 colors to complete different motifs. 26 different patterns you will learn from to create letter A to letter Z. Price for each of the calligraphy courses 800. Now the next one here is Tikuli art with the letter A, the lady with the umbrella. This also is from a folk art form of Bihar. It is called Tikuli art, and all the different paintings, 26 different paintings, we have incorporated in 26 different letters. So you will learn the letter A to letter Z, and trust me, you will have a beautiful art portfolio once you are done with these courses. And finally, we have the line art, which is little different from the calligraphy. We thought 4 calligraphy we will keep, 1 Madhubani mandala mix we are keeping, and this is the line art course where you only use your pen. You don't need many material, just the pen, and the curves of the pen will actually define your whole painting. And you can read Aishwarya's feedback. She's been so earnest and so kind with the beautiful message that she has dropped us. Thank you so much, Yellow Frames Art Studio. They have made so many beautiful and different courses. Each course is so beautiful, so different, and I liked it very much. It's the best art studio. Wow. Thank you, Aishwarya. That was a lovely, lovely message. And I just hope that more students join and you also benefit from what we are giving to all the participants. If you want to join for any single course, you can do that. It is available for rupees 800. If you want to join 3 course combo, that is available for 2000. And if you want to join 6 course combo, like all the 6 courses together, that will be for 4000. Thank you so much, Sanya, for joining and showing us all these lovely collection at one point in one frame. Let's hope to see a lot of you joining and making your registration confirmations. So I would definitely love to see all of you in the workshop sessions. I've shared the registration link. You can join us there, and happy learning, everyone. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Sanya. Thank you so much.